The Realme 16 was unveiled in Vietnam today. The device is 8.1 mm thick and weighs 183 grams. It features IP66/68/69/69K ingress protection. It will launch in Air Black and Air White color options. We see a Google Pixel-looking camera visor housing 3 cameras, a 50MP main cam, IMX852, alongside a 2MP monochrome sensor. The cameras are flanked by a selfie mirror, which will allow users to use the main cam for selfies. A 50MP selfie camera. Realme 16 packs a 6.57-inch AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The display is rated at 4500 nits peak brightness and features AGC DT Star D Plus tempered glass and an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Realme 16 opts for the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 Turbo chipset, which is paired with 8GB RAM and 128/256GB storage. A 7000 mAh battery featuring 60W charging. Pricing in Vietnam starts at VND $11,490,443 for the 8/256GB trim. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.